I'm gonna feed the fish my protein source for when the shit hits the fan. That was a tilapia. So I have 3 kinds of tilapia: brim, catfish, and plecostomus, and also a bunch of little ones. The brim and the catfish were here when I moved in, and I added the tilapia. We have blue tilapia. The blue tilapia are the more common ones. They're bright blue. Can't see them well right now. The water's too dark. Then we have red tilapia. That was a red tilapia right there. They're very similar to the blue tilapia, but they have more of a red tint. We also have white tilapia. That's the white tilapia right there. It's actually kind of orange colored. Every once in a while, the catfish will come up and grab a piece of bread. The catfish are a little slower. The bread might be all gone by the time the catfish come. I'm pretty sure we only have one white tilapia because I only ever see one at a time. You can tell the difference between the tilapia, the brim, and the catfish, the way they hit the bread. So far, I'm only seeing tilapia. The brim are probably dwindling in numbers because the tilapia are so aggressive. That's it for today. I have to keep them nice and fat so they'll be ready for me to eat when the shit hits the fan.